Hey everybody, it's Jason Cunningham here, and welcome to today's video, Establishing Your Credit History. I'm going to touch on a few of the basic points for building credit, but believe me when I say that these are crucial to building a strong financial foundation. Now, an established credit history is something that you're ultimately going to need as you move closer towards home ownership. So every time you pay a bill, whether it's your credit card, your phone bill, your electricity, you are establishing a credit rating for yourself. Now, credit rating is a score that the banks, the mortgage companies, and other lending institutions use to assess your level of financial responsibility. So really important stuff here. Paying your bills on time every month, as you can imagine, contributes to having a good credit rating. Now, if you miss payments or you're often late making your payments, your credit rating is probably not as good as it could be, and money lending institutions will consider this when you apply for a loan. Now, there are different factors that contribute to your overall credit score, such as an outstanding debt, payment history, the severity and the frequency of derogatory credit information, and the amount of credit that you use compared to what you have available. Also important is the length of your credit history. Now, if you're an immigrant, this only begins getting established once you enter Canada, and you'll want to do a few things. First, you'll want to open an individual savings or checking account in your name. And from this account, your deposits, your withdrawals, and your transfers will demonstrate that you can handle credit efficiently and responsibly. Applying for a smaller loan demonstrates responsibility as well and will positively affect your credit rating over the longer term once you demonstrate that you can make timely and consistent payments. Other forms of credit include department store and gasoline credit cards. These are generally easier to obtain than the major credit cards, and if they're used responsibly, can also serve to enhance your credit rating. In short, there is no quick way to establish credit. It's much better to go slowly and develop a strong credit record than to apply for too many credit cards or a loan that's larger than you can handle. Mortgages are long-term commitments, so understand that lenders will need proof of longevity and consistency. Now, once you begin establishing your credit history, it's a good idea and it's your right as a consumer to know exactly what your credit rating score is, even if you always pay your bills on time. In Canada, Equifax Canada and TransUnion are the two major credit rating companies and will give you a copy of your credit history and overall credit rating score, usually for a fee. So, I hope that you got something out of that, and if you know someone who needs help establishing their credit, why not help them out and pass this on to them? Alright, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.